In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently schedule tasks using Prefect, an essential skill for automating and optimizing your data workflows. Have you ever wondered how tech giants manage to handle enormous data workflows seamlessly? The secret lies in powerful task scheduling tools like Prefect. Welcome to How to Master Task Scheduling with Prefect, a beginner's guide. In today's video, we'll unlock the secrets of Prefect, a cutting-edge tool that automates and optimizes data workflows. By the end of this video, you'll have a foundational understanding of Prefect's task scheduling capabilities and how they can transform your data pipeline efficiency.
To master Prefect, it's crucial to understand the task lifecycle. Every task in Prefect goes through a series of stages, from initiation to completion. First, tasks are scheduled and initiated based on your defined criteria. During the running stage, Prefect keeps an eye on each task, ensuring they execute as planned. If any issues arise, Prefect's robust error handling mechanisms kick into gear, retrying or adjusting as necessary. Finally, tasks complete and are logged, providing valuable insights for future optimizations. Understanding this lifecycle is key to leveraging Prefect's full potential.
Now that we understand the task lifecycle, let's set up our first Prefect flow. A flow is essentially a collection of tasks that execute in a specified sequence. Start by defining your flow in Prefect's intuitive interface. Next, create individual tasks that make up the flow. Connect these tasks logically to ensure smooth execution. Once everything's in place, it's time to run your flow and watch Prefect work its magic. Remember, while setting up your first flow might feel daunting, Prefect's user-friendly design simplifies the process. And if you run into any hiccups, Prefect's community and documentation are invaluable resources.
Scheduling tasks in Prefect is made easy with its Cron-like syntax. If you're familiar with Cron, you'll feel right at home. Prefect allows you to define when and how often your tasks should run, using a straightforward syntax. Automate your workflows by scheduling tasks to execute at specific times or intervals. Customize these schedules to fit your unique needs, whether that's running tasks daily, weekly, or even at irregular intervals. Let's explore some real-world examples to see how flexible and powerful Prefect scheduling can be.
The Prefect scheduler is the backbone of efficient task execution. By managing when and how tasks are scheduled, the scheduler optimizes resource usage and ensures your workflows run smoothly. Configurations allow you to tweak the scheduler, balancing load and performance for optimal outcomes. Whether you're running a few tasks or managing a large-scale data pipeline, understanding and leveraging the Prefect scheduler is crucial for success. Let's dive into how you can configure and fine-tune the scheduler to meet your specific needs.
In any data workflow, tasks often depend on one another. Prefect makes it easy to define these dependencies, ensuring tasks execute in the correct order. Additionally, Prefect supports task retries, allowing you to specify how many times a task should be retried in case of failure. This feature is crucial for maintaining task reliability and flow robustness. Handling task dependencies and retries effectively ensures your workflows remain robust and error-free. Let's explore some best practices to enhance your task scheduling strategies using Prefect. Monitoring and debugging are vital for maintaining smooth workflows. Prefect offers a comprehensive dashboard that provides real-time insights into task status and performance. Utilize this dashboard to proactively manage tasks and address issues as they arise. When debugging, Prefect's logs and alerts are invaluable tools, helping you quickly identify and resolve problems. By actively monitoring and debugging your scheduled tasks, you're equipped to maintain high efficiency and prevent disruptions in your data workflows.
To truly master task scheduling with Prefect, it's important to adopt best practices. Optimize your schedules to ensure tasks run at the most efficient times. Balance load and resources by leveraging Prefect scheduling features. Continuously analyze and improve your workflows for maximum efficiency. Prefect provides numerous features and tools to aid in this process, from its intuitive interface to powerful scheduling capabilities. Embrace these strategies to not only meet your current needs but also to build scalable, efficient workflows for the future.
Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering task scheduling with Prefect. We've explored the task lifecycle, set up a basic flow, configured schedules, and much more. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Dive into Prefect, experiment, and refine your workflows. We invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Let's grow this learning community together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on mastering Prefect and other data tools. Thank you for watching.